If you can't do even one pull-up, this video is for you. Pull-ups aren't just an arm exercise. They're a total upper body movement. You're using your back, shoulders, biceps, core, basically everything above your waist. Think of it like reverse climbing. You're not pulling your arms toward the bar, you're pulling your chest to it. If you can't do a full pull-up yet, don't panic. Here's your step-by-step progression. Level 1, dead hangs. Start by just hanging from the bar. Grip it tight, shoulders engaged, core tight. This builds grip strength and gets your body used to supporting your weight. Show hanging for 10 to 20 seconds. Relaxed shoulders down. Level 2, scapular pulls. Learn to activate your back. From a dead hang, pull your shoulders down and back, then release. It's a small move, but it teaches control, the foundation of every pull-up. Level 3, negative pull-ups. Now, jump or use a box to get your chin over the bar. Then slowly lower yourself down for 3 to 5 seconds. This is gold. It builds real strength in the exact muscles you'll need. Level 4, assisted pull-ups. Use a resistance band or an assisted pull-up machine. It takes some weight off, but keeps your form honest. Level 5, full pull-up. Once you can do 5 to 6 slow negatives, you're ready. Start from a dead hang. Pull your chest to the bar. Control the way down. Boom, your first pull-up. Let's fix the biggest pull-up problems I see every day. Mistake number 1, using only your arms. Remember, your lats are the engine here. Mistake number 2, kicking and swinging like you're trying to fly away. Control your body. Here's your pull-up progress plan. Dead hangs, 3 sets of 20 seconds. Scapular pulls, 3 sets of 8 reps. Negative pull-ups, 3 sets of 5. Band-assisted pull-ups, 3 sets of 6 to 8. Train 3 times per week and you'll feel the difference fast. Pull-ups aren't just about strength, they're about patience. Every rep you almost get is one step closer. The day you finally pull yourself up, it's not just your body that's stronger, it's your mind. So if you're ready to stop hanging around and start pulling up, hit that like button and subscribe to Major Muscles. We're building real, functional strength. No machines, no shortcuts, just you versus gravity.